How to add a payment method to Canva. I have just logged into my account on Canva, and from the home screen we want to click on our profile icon, and then from here we will now select settings. After we have chosen the settings, then from the left hand side you will see personal and billing and plans. So we just want to click on here, and if we want to add a payment method, then we will choose this purple hyperlink, add a payment method, so you can purchase premium images and vectors for $1 a piece. So if we want to add a payment method, and here we will click on here, and we can choose either credit or debit card or PayPal. If we choose credit or debit card, it will obviously ask us for the card number, the expiration date, security code, and the location. And if you do PayPal, then here you can just connect your PayPal account to Canva and you can get billed that way. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.